All right. Oh, now step 7. Step 7, review assignment. We're going to create a pivot table in the media posts. So you're in the media post, create a pivot table, insert pivot table, and we're going to create an existing worksheet, which is in report E12. I'm going to click E12 right there. Then click OK. So there's our pivot table. Step 8. So we're going to insert following stuff to this pivot table. First of all, we're going to rename this pivot table as a day pivot. So there's a pivot table name, and we're going to insert day pivot. That's one word. And then we're gonna use the day field to the row section and post and engagement rate to values. Engagement rate, right? There you go. Then change the label for each. First one, posted. So this will be posted. And the other one will be engagement rates. Plural. And there's something else to this, 2 decimal places, percentage. So number format, percentage, 2 decimal places, click OK and OK. Make sure the engagement rate has a percentage with the 2 decimal places. Now 7D, we're going to apply some different style. So go to design, and what's the style? Medium 7. Medium 7 is like a greenish, yes. And also turn on banded rows and banded column. That should be right here in the toolbar. Just turn that on. And 8E says modify pivot table options. So Excel does not auto-fit column with an update. So that should be under Analyze tab and Options. And this is what the step is talking about. Auto-fit column with an update. Just turn it off and click OK. So that was step 8. Step 9. So we're going to copy pivot table and paste it into next section, which is starts E22 right there. It's exactly the same format, but we're going to make some changes, of course. Step 9, rename pivot table as a size pivot. Size pivot. And we're going to replace day with post size. Day post size will be replaced. Wait a minute, am I doing right? I think I changed it to the other one. Okay. Now I made a mistake here. And this one should be size pivot, right? Alright, so just replace this with post size, right there, just like that. Alright, replace the date field with rows. This one I just did 9B, 9C, reorder so that the order will be short, medium, and so forth. So I'm going to just type it in short, medium, long, and very long. So it's just reorder. That was step 9. Step 10, what we got here. So in the media post worksheets, we're going to create another object. So media posts, insert, this time pivot chart and pivot table. So I'm going to just go to click here so that I can select chart and pivot table at the same time. Then we're going to move it to report I-12. Oh, B4, I'm sorry. And engagement type. Engagement type. Okay. B4. There you go. That was step 10. Then we're going to rename this pivot table. So right here, pivot table name will be engaged pivot. And step 10B, we're going to move click, likes, comments, shares, the value. Likes, comment, shares. Shares too, right? Move values item into the rows section. So here we go. I'm going to move this value in column to rows so that it will show different way. That was step 10D. Step 11. So we're going to make some changes to this pivot chart, by the way. This time, we're going to move this chart to the report worksheets. So I'm going to do that. Just move chart and select report. Okay. Then we're going to place it into kind of lost it here. Just a second. Okay. I-12. L18. It's kind of short. All right. Step 11B, we're going to change the chart type to pie. All right. Change chart type. Pie. And we're going to remove those field buttons in title. So I'm going to right click on the buttons. Hide. I think we can do hide all fields. Or delete. Then title will be gone. So it looks like that. Then chart style to 8 8. Which one is 8? Right there. Okay, with the data labels. So that's step 11. Step 12, we're going to create another pivot chart. And place in the engagement history worksheets. So I'm going to do the same thing, go to pivot chart and pivot table. Then we're going to place into engagement history. Engagement history B4. There you go. And rename pivot table as history pivot. Step B, 12B, we're going to move date to row. Engagement rate values. Just like that. Step C, engagement rate. Value field setting to display average of engagement rate. 2 decimal places. Average, okay, not the sum. Number format, percent, 2 decimal places. And we're going to rename this as file. What was the name? Engagement rates. There you go. So that's step C, 12D. We're going to work on the chart, pivot chart, change this chart to the line chart. So I'm going to click change chart type, line, and remove the legend, field buttons, title, engagement rates. And button, hide all the buttons. And legend. Move the chart to the report. To the report worksheets. I-19 to L-27. Something like that. Okay. Go back to first pivot table according to step 13, E12. Then we're going to insert slicers for photo coupon fields. So going back to analyze slicers, right? Excuse me, slicer, and that will be photo and coupon. So I'm going to select photo, coupon, okay. Then we're going to move this slicers to photo to B4, B4 to C6, and coupon goes right below, I believe. P8 is 11. Something like that. And 2 columns. Make it 2 columns. Right here. Okay. Save the changes. D. Set the repo connection of both slicers to connect every pivot table. Okay, so select one at a time, report connections. Just click all those pivot tables, so make all the connections throughout. Same thing, coupon, slicer. Just select all so that make all the connections. Step 14. Gonna go back to E12 again. And this time we're gonna insert timeline. So again, go back to analyze, insert timeline right here, right below, right by the insert slicer. The only available state, so I'm gonna click OK. There you go, that's our timeline. And we're gonna place E4 L10, E4. Yeah, kind of long, L10. So that's our timeline. Resize, we just resized it. 14B, set report connection. So again, report connection is right there. Then we're gonna make connections to engage pivot, day pivot, size pivot, those 3. Then we're gonna select actually only social media metrics for posts, but photos and coupons. Photos and coupons. Dated December 21. December 21. So there you go. So these are the actual data set for photo and coupon with the date of December 21. Display the post that match the 16. Double clicking G20. So let's double click G20 and see what happens. G20. Is this G20? If you double click, I think it will take you to the new sheets. So basically what they call drill data, right? So it's give you more detailed data for that particular cell. So we can save it as drill data because this is new worksheets. So this is drill data. All right, so that's it. And save it and submit it to Georgia View.